Smack dog, what are we doing? Oh, out here in the old junkyard. I was hearing someone in a loud ass V8 ripping down through New Milford or Gaylordsville. It's just crazy hearing that because it's about 10 miles through the woods. Alright. Come on, Buckhorn. Let's go. We got coffee to drink and shit to break. Let's get in here in the Krusty Krab. Come on. Get on that sexy Mexican blanket. Come on. Come on. Alright, let's see what this old bitch does. Perfect. Right in gear. Let's go. I properly warm up all my vehicles. Fuck FM radio, I'm putting this EV on. That's cute. You warm your cars up. Shut up. Shut up. Fucking fan. At least I got one fan on YouTube. Seat belts. Who needs seat belts? Man. Hey, Mac Dog. What you doing, boy? Look at you shave. Put that steering wheel in the way. I'll put that sandwich in the way. Oh, there's leftovers. Winter right now. Groundhog said we're going to get an early spring, but I didn't think it was going to be 2 days after he saw. Like, this is a little bit ridiculous. I'm not going to complain about it being 50 out, but it's 50 out. Right, Mac? Let me tell you why your truck's so fucking bouncy. I don't know, boy. It's a shit box. It's 7,000 pounds. Shit. Oh, there comes Death Wobble. Let's wait until we're doing 60. Come on. Who put that sandwich there? No way to hold this damn camera without shaking like Michael J. Fox hands. Oh boy, watch out, we got that surveyors down here. This old fucker would focus. His old AVE would say, "Focus, you fuck!" Oh, I'm gonna get demonetized before I'm even monetized. My road. This is my road. See? You here, boy? This here is my road. See if we got any mother truckers out here on 19. After I crash into the neighbor's mailbox. Turn my old kicker on. How about it, you little turd ticklers? What you all doing today? Oh, no Packer checkers out here this morning? What about pepperoni picklers or salami smugglers? Any of them out here today? Come on. seatbelt. Don't mind that gauge. It's just a meter showing my transmission pressure regulator that I broke. Shut up. There we go. Just like the fucking wife. Punch her and smack her a few times, she's quiet. Put the hammer down, Scooter! Whee! Slowest truck I've ever fucking driven. And it runs. And it's cheaper than the wife. Oh, classic. Hey, it's only $10.50. I can get me a bear. Oh. Okay, I'll put you right there. There you go. Hit the rumble strips. Perfect. Shit! I'm gonna crash. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. Oh, Jesus, it's a fire. Alright, folks. Give me a cotton picking minute. I'll do you all a favor. Well, first I'll stop talking like this, kind of a retard. Then I'll start talking normal. Because what the fuck? I ain't no hick. Maybe a little redneck, but I ain't no hick or sister fucker. Move over, Scooter. God damn. Who cleaned this windshield? Fucking Ray Charles? God, you think I'm using a fucking potato for a camera? Pulling out in front of a big rig. Come on. I find this pretty funny. Anybody need some catalytic converters for the scrapyard? All you crackheads and dopeheads, get out of here. Oh, wait, never mind. It looks like somebody already got to them. Well, god damn. You got any more of them cats? Y'all got any more of that copper? Y'all got any more of that methamphetamine? Yeah, that's enough of that, folks. Bye. Have a good one. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to my boring ass fucking channel that ain't going nowhere.